Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, auxiliary engine cooler, rear stabilizer bar, tire pressure monitoring system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.